Do you want to know how to trade Dogecoin?
This is not financial advice.
I am not a financial advisor. Past performance does not guarantee future returns. The following is only for educational and entertainment purposes only. So you're going to want to use Twitter. Download the Twitter app from the App Store. Follow Elon Musk and turn on all notifications. So basically, whenever he tweets about Dogecoin, immediately buy it. You need a way to buy Dogecoin. Open a KuCoin account using this QR code or follow this link. Here is the historical documented proof of this technique. February 4th, 2021, 2:15 a.m. He tweets, Dogecoin is the people's crypto. Dogecoin goes from 0.038 cents to 0.06 cents, or a 58% increase. February 10th, 9:08 a.m. 2021. Elon Musk writes, bought some Dogecoin for little X so he can be a toddler hodler. Look at all those likes. Dogecoin goes from 0.072 cents to 0.0822 cents, or a 14% increase. April 1, 2021, 5:25 a.m. He writes, SpaceX is going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. Dogecoin had been crabbing along around 0.054 cents, and it shoots up and wicks on the 1 hour chart to 0.0819 cents, or a 52% increase. Might I remind you, this is at the height of the bull market. In hindsight, it was 1 month before the very top of the bull market, and the top signal was when Elon Musk hosted Saturday Night Live and talked about Dogecoin there. Dogecoin is a short-term trade only, and it's not an investment. It basically has no hard cap on its total supply, even though the inflation schedule gets more favorable as time goes on. And it's a fork of a fork. It's a fork of Litecoin, which is a fork of Bitcoin. Also, according to this table, 7% of all the total wallets own 90% of the supply. That is not good tokenomics.
You serious?